So first we will demonstrate the rear paddock stand. Now as you can see, because the bike already has spools installed on them, I am using the spool mounts. The way to set this up is you need to measure the width of your spools from side one end to the other and set your width accordingly. So this is just about set. I'm going to just adjust it a little bit and tighten the knobs all the way. Now remember, these knobs have to be completely tight. If they are not, this could slip and then your bike could fall. So be careful and make sure you tighten the knobs all the way. There should be no play in the brackets. Once that is done, you come to your bike, you place one bracket in the spool, line the other one with the spool. With one hand, put your hand on the bike and push it to one side like this. Make sure both the brackets are inserted into the spools. Okay, mine are not. I'm going to adjust this again. Like I said, this adjustment has to be done with your bike or you'll get it wrong. Again, once both the brackets are aligned with the spools, put your hand on the stand and push down. And there you go. Always keep the side stand down when your bike is on the stand. Just in case it tips over or something happens, there's always a chance it can come on the stand. Now that the rear is done, we'll go to the front. So it's pretty much the same thing. You need to do this with your bike obviously. We set the width of these brackets as per your forks and then we go. I'm going to go to the front of my bike. This is going to be much easier than the rear because the bike is already balanced. This has already been set, or maybe not. So once this is set, you place it under your forks like so. Now mine are obviously not the standard RC390 forks, so your experience may vary, but this is the rough idea. You have to put this under your forks either below the brake caliper brackets or you can put it over here. So this is where most RC390 owners will be putting their forks. And that's it. You just push down on the stand and your bike comes up. So as you can see, using these stands is pretty simple. It's a one-man job. You don't need a team to do it. And once it's up, you can clean your chain, you can clean the bike, you can keep it in storage, cover it up, and it won't cause flat spots on your tires. So it's a very useful contraption to have, and I feel every bike owner should have one. Thank you. This is Hansveer again from Moto Trailers. Do like the video and share it with your friends who might find it useful. You can buy these stands on our website at www.moto-trailers.com.